What's up everybody? Today we're gonna be making a very special unboxing of this beautiful iPad mini first generation. This is actually from 2012 and what's special is that it's still sealed from 13 years ago. As you can see, this seal is still intact, there are no bubbles here. So basically this iPad has never been touched before, it's got no fingerprints and it's never been used before. The only thing that's been done is the seller made a little cut in the film so he could charge it before selling it. So this is the special moment after 13 years. Let's do this. Wow. Let's see the screen. Wow, it's beautiful. It's never gonna be this clean again. Actually, it does have a couple spots where there is some dust. And let's see that iOS 6 logo. There you go. It's actually so small, like in iOS 7 they made it a lot bigger. It's gonna be pretty quick. And also, the other thing I was gonna unbox is this brand new sealed iPad mini 1 smart cover. So this is the simple one which attaches magnetically. And oh yes, the iPad has done its initial boot up. I mean, it's already been set up, but it's completely wiped. So let's see in the about screen. Okay, so it's on iOS 6.1.3. It's a 16GB model and it's a Wi-Fi plus cellular model. In fact, it's got the SIM card tray here. So this iPad feels amazing. Like you can see the chamfered edges. They're looking so nice, so clean. And it's got no scratches, no marks. The buttons look so pristine. We got the Lightning port, which was new at the time. And also this design was very innovative. Only the iPod Touch 5 and the iPod Nanos had a very similar design. And also the iPhone 5, which shared these chamfered edges. And so this iPad pioneered the way Apple made iPads for a couple of years, like all the iPad Airs and the first few iPad Pros. So now it's time to get the smart cover. So it's got this little pull tab here. Let's see if we can pull it. After all these years, the adhesive has gone so hard. Okay, there you go. And we should push it here and then pull it up. All right. And it looks amazing. I think this is a very good color combination. We can attach it magnetically to the side of the iPad, so like this. And there you go, it's attached. And so when you close it, the screen turns off. This thing looks beautiful. This is the perfect setup from 2012. Like for example, the iPad 4 felt so much older than this. This was so futuristic. The only thing I don't like is that the screen has a very low pixel density. Like you can see every pixel if you look at the text here. And this was also a new feature of the iPad mini 2, so the Retina display came later on in 2013. If we take a look at iOS 6, we can see that most of the stuff doesn't work. Like for example, the App Store doesn't work, iTunes Store doesn't work, Game Center also doesn't work. So pretty much everything that's requiring an internet connection doesn't work. Safari also doesn't work. Most websites won't open. We can use the camera, which is, I mean, quite bad, but it's usable. We can use the clock, which actually looks very nice. It's a very unique design. So for example, the clock app on the iPhones didn't have all this graphic here. Like for example, these weird buttons here. And we also have a word clock. Like let's go on Paris. We can see the big clock here. And one special feature of this cover is the ability to put it in this way. So it's a triangle and you can set the iPad here so it's a tapered surface. But also if you're watching a movie, you can put it like this, so it's more comfortable. And some people also use it like this, so if you're holding it, it's more ergonomical. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and have a great day. Thank you.